Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of e-commerce with Shopify, you know how important it is to make your store stand out. Today, we're going to focus on one crucial aspect of your Shopify store, the footer. My name is Aimee, and in this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of customizing your Shopify footer to make it look just the way you want. So let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with a quick overview. Here we have a basic Shopify footer. You can see it's pretty minimal right now, just a menu and a newsletter sign up. But don't worry, we're going to jazz it up. Customizing your footer is a great way to improve user experience and enhance your brand's presence. We'll add text blocks, menus, social media icons, and payment options. If you're ready, let's get started. First things first, head over to your Shopify Admin. From here, click on Online Store on the left-hand menu. Now you'll see the theme you're using. In this case, we're working with the Dawn theme, which is a free theme available on Shopify. Click on Customize to open the theme editor. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down or use the left-hand menu to find the footer. Here you'll see the different blocks currently in your footer. To add a new block, just click on Add Block and select Text. This will add a text block at the end of your current footer setup. I like to move this text block to the first column. Simply drag it to where you want it, like this. You can edit the text here to add a little blurb about your company. For example, if you're selling sustainable clothing, you might write something like "Style with a Purpose." Next, let's move on to the menus. In our second column, we have a menu. To edit it, click Change, then change Menu, and select a new menu from the drop-down. If you want to create a new menu, just click on Create Menu and add links to your important pages. For example, you may want to add links to your blog, contact page, or product collections. Just enter the title and add menu items. Once you're done, then hit Save Menu. If you don't see your new menu immediately, try searching for it or simply save your changes and refresh. Now let's enhance your footer with payment options and social media icons. Go back to your theme editor and click on the footer section. Here you can enable payment icons to show Visa, MasterCard, and other payment options available in your store. Then scroll up to the social media icons and enable it. It will not show the icons yet until we add our social media links. So to do that, click on the theme settings link so you're redirected to where you can add them. Then from here, enter your links for Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. As you add these, you'll see the icons appear in your footer. This helps customers connect with you on social platforms. Remember to hit save in the theme editor to lock in all your changes. Then refresh your store page to see the updated footer in action. Now let's take a look at what we've done. Finally, our footer has a text block, menus, social media icons, and payment options. It's looking great and very informative. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Shopify footer to make it both functional and stylish. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tricks. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.